Motors. It has been a great ride this year, and I thank all of you guys for subscribing. Today, we're just going to work on my wife's 2018 Toyota Tacoma that she calls Taco. That's what we're going to go with today. But she's been wanting a roof rack for a little while, and I decided to go with the Prinsu rack. So we're going to get that out. We're going to get our tools laid out. I'm not going to do a real in-depth install video because there's a lot of those out there. So we'll do some fast forward on that part of it. But in particular areas, we may stop it and show you kind of what's going on. But we'll get this thing started. We'll get the tools laid out and get you guys along with us. All right, let's go. All right, you guys, we got the first part done. We ended up leaving the front brace out because we'll need to move that around to avoid the sunroof. But the next step, we're going to take the moldings off of the roof and get ready to put the holes in those. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to take this molding out on both sides and get ready to put the holes in. Alright, so it's time to punch the holes. I made some marks there, and based on some one of the other videos, install videos I saw, someone used a real clean way to do it by using a punch to make room for the spacer or the mount that you put on the roof. So we're going to give that a shot, see how well that works. All right, you guys, that's it. We got it installed. It looks great. My wife loves it. If you're gonna do this yourself, one of the things that you're gonna need to make your life real easy is this punch tool. It's a 20 millimeter punch tool. Get you one. So hey, if you guys like what you're seeing, click and subscribe. Tell your friends about me and we'll keep this thing going.